Hey, Dave Knight here at 123daytrade.com. Thanks for watching. Thanks for being here. Summary. Reset, day 3, 30K Combine, TopStep Trader. Net 42 ticks off of 8 trades off the CLPIT Strategy today. It did hit a 3P target. If I would have taken it, it would have been worth 73 ticks from the short entry of 44.55. It was that target was 44.55, and that target was 43.82, I believe. Let me look back. Yes, 43.82. At that point, when it did run, it went to 43.81. It came back up, and then it went back down to 75, 71, wherever that low was, as I'm talking right now at 11:45 or 10:45 a.m. Central Standard Time. So the market kind of stopped around the S2 mark today as I look at it at 43.93. I thought once we got through the S2 we were going to shoot on down. My bottom target on the day, by the way, was 43.33, or in between 43.33 and 43.29. That's kind of where I was looking for the market to run off of the Globex open of 4,500, $45 a barrel, or 4,500 or 4,500. So yes, 4,500. So I was looking for the market to roughly run 43.29, but I said 4333 because hey, it's a bunch of threes together with the 4. So back up again, yo-yo. If I stop as I look back at yesterday, and I appreciate the comments that I got from yesterday, thank you, with all the gentlemen, and if it was a lady, obviously, thank you for your comments and your suggestions. Sometimes I just feel as though I'm just one trade away from a real big winner, and then I do something like I did yesterday where I take the trade that I had and I produce what should have been a win into a 47 tick loss. So take away that, and if I would have stopped trading at -12, or really if I would have caught my signal, the tiebreaker came in on the market and I wasn't at my computer, and what I did was basically chase that trade. So between 9:39 and 9:54, within a 15-minute span of time, I was chasing, and you make that cardinal sin of chasing a trade, more times than not, nothing good comes of that. So I beat myself up in the video for a little bit, but I have what I call short-term memory loss. Once the new day is here, I just forget about it. I mean, and I guess that's what you got to be. I've been fortunate to that ability now that once I vent and get pissed off for a while, I might be mad for about an hour, maybe 90 minutes, but then after that, I'm done. Now I'm coaching the kids at football. I'm looking forward for the next day. There's other things that go on in my life, that my life doesn't revolve around what's happening on a computer screen. So another good reason about being at TopStep Trader, obviously for me right now, the yo-yo performance I have right now, until I can stop. And as that one trader said very clearly, that hey, you break your own trading rules. And yes, that's where my problem is right now, and that's why I'm at TopStep Trader, to resolve some of the issues that I have fighting in myself. And it basically boils down to two things, right? Pride, fear, and greed. So I know that. I know the pride side of me says I can get that money back, and the humble side of me says no, you should stop. And that where I'm in the where I can stay in the middle and stay between being prideful and being fearful, when I'm in that middle, basically trying to stay humble the whole time, more times than not, those are days that I end up doing at least okay, and if I do bad, then I'm like, well, all right, well, at least I stayed within my trading plan. It's when I come out of my trading plan that I really F up, and I think to myself, what am I doing? So today, I rolled the dice and I won again, and just to get myself out of the hole. Now I've got 3 days in. I'm positive now we're going to move back to to being a little bit more on the conservative side and build this account now. So I've had one good trading day, one bad trading day, and I rolled the dice today. Like my little thing says today, right? If you're afraid to shake, let me put this up here for you, if you can read that. If you are afraid to shake the dice, you will never throw a 6. So I got this obviously at the the Chinese fortune cookie, right? I opened it up and I read that and I thought, you know what, that's a pretty good saying. I'm going to hold on to that. So that's all I have to say for the day. I'm in my t-shirt, right? But it is a polo t-shirt. My wife buys this stuff, not me. I think this was a Gabriel special or one of those clearance places. I don't think I've owned a polo shirt since I was in high school, or maybe last time was in college, or maybe no. I think I had one when I was working at Federated Investors. That might have been the last polo that I had. Then I was fortunate to find Land's End, and I would get all of my clothes through them and get we had to either wear blue shirts or white shirts back then. So I would just get a bunch of them and have them all starched, ready to go. Just grab one and go. So we'd either had to wear white or blue. That was the only colors at that point in time in the 90s that they would let us wear. All right. God bless. Take care. I'll see you on the next video I put together. So it's been kind of a yo-yo week for me. I think I was up 49 ticks one day, down 47, and today I'm up 42. So hopefully I put my shit together from this point forward, and then when I get into funded, which I will, I'm obviously going to get back there. I know that. But when I get back there, I take this learning experiences. I know what I'm trying to accomplish in my 10 trading days. I'm trying to accomplish that 2,000 target. If I were to stop myself yesterday, you know, my account's up over $1,000 right now. At least that's how I look at it. If I take the 700 win and I take the other one where I had 500 roughly and I only lose maybe 100 right now, then I'm up $1,100 right now. So I hit that 3P target. You know, I'm not pressing the market today. I hit that 3P target, bam, I'm up 70 ticks and, you know, I'm done on the day. So I pressed a little harder today. And anyway, so I did do a live classroom and I put together the video. So if you want to go over to the blog and see the trade, you know, I was very aggressive. I can tell you that. It's not for the faint of heart. The CLPIT strategy has never been for the faint of heart, but it's a straight trading strategy if you're willing to take on. Highly recommend that you only trade one contract at it when you're going at it, because the market is moving very quickly and you can lose money extremely quickly in that market, in the crude oil market. But you know, when I get my back against the wall, a lot of times I come fighting out. So, you know, I come fighting out, and if I lose, well, then I just reset. So, thanks for watching. Thanks for being here. God bless. Take care. And I'll see you on the next video I put together. Bye for now.